Hello and welcome to our channel, Top 10s You Should Know. Let me ask you something. Have you ever stood in front of a car showroom or watched a bike pass by and thought, man, one day that's going to be mine? Today, we're breaking that cycle because saving for your first car or bike isn't just about money. It's about discipline, clarity, small choices, and emotional commitment. And if you follow these 15 steps, your dream stops being someday and becomes a timeline you control. So take a breath, sit back, and let's build this dream together. 1. Decide exactly what you want, not anything. Most people delay buying their first car or bike because they start with a vague dream. They say things like, I'll buy something, maybe later, whatever I can afford. But saving becomes powerful only when your mind has a clear target. Your brain needs a vision. It needs something specific to work toward. A model, a color, a price range, a purpose. When you know exactly what you want, your actions become sharper. The emotional energy becomes stronger because you aren't saving for a vehicle, you're saving for your vehicle. 2. Break the total cost into monthly micro goals. Once you know the total price, the next emotional shift comes from breaking that big number into smaller, manageable chunks. A car or bike might cost thousands, and when you see that number, your brain automatically panics. But when you divide that number into monthly goals, say $200 a month or $50 a week, suddenly it feels doable. This process removes fear and replaces it with structure. Micro goals make your brain feel like you're consistently winning. Every week you hit your small target, you build confidence, you feel progress, you feel movement. 3. Create a dedicated savings account only for your vehicle. Goal saving becomes 10 times easier when you separate your dreams from your daily money. A dedicated account creates psychological distance. It tells your brain, this money has a purpose. This money is off limits. Emotionally, it builds pride. Every time you transfer money into that account, you feel like you're fueling your dream. There's something powerful about watching that number slowly climb. It becomes a motivating ritual. But people make one mistake. They mix that money with their regular account, and eventually it gets spent without intention. 4. Automate your savings so you don't rely on willpower. Willpower is inconsistent. Motivation rises and falls. But automation is your best friend. Set up an automatic transfer the moment your salary comes in, even if it's a small amount. When savings happen without decision making, you eliminate the emotional roller coaster of should I save today or skip this month? Automation protects you from your own impulses. It removes temptation because the money leaves your spendable account before you even see it. Over time, this single habit can help you accumulate more than you ever expected. 5. Learn to distinguish wants from needs. With honesty. This is where emotional self-control becomes powerful. Before buying anything, clothes, gadgets, food, entertainment, pause for 5 seconds and ask, is this a want or a need? That tiny moment of honesty can save you hundreds. Your dream vehicle is built from these micro moments. Most people struggle to save not because they don't earn enough, but because they don't filter their choices. Wants give temporary pleasure. Your vehicle gives long-term freedom. Wants fade. The dream stays. 6. Track every expense, even the tiny ones. Your money leaks from small holes, not big ones. That daily tea, that extra snack, that impulsive online purchase, all of them quietly delay your vehicle goal. So track everything. The emotional benefit is huge. Tracking gives you power. It makes you aware. It eliminates confusion, and awareness naturally creates discipline. When you see how much you spend unnecessarily, you feel motivated to cut back. You start noticing patterns, habits you didn't know were draining you. 7. Cut one big monthly expense, not 20 small ones. People often try to save money by cutting 20 tiny things, but that only exhausts you. Instead, cut one big recurring cost. Something like expensive mobile data, subscriptions, takeout, smoking, gaming top-ups, or weekend outings. One major cut gives you huge savings quickly without burning you out. You gain momentum, energy, and motivation. That one shift can shave months off your saving timeline. 8. Start a small side hustle just for the vehicle fund. A side hustle dedicated solely to your goal accelerates progress dramatically. You don't need a huge business, just something small and consistent. Freelancing, tutoring, reselling, delivery jobs, content creation, weekend work, anything that brings a little extra. When you assign 100% of that income to your vehicle savings, you create a powerful emotional engine. Your dream pays for itself. And suddenly, saving becomes exciting instead of stressful. 9. Sell things you don't use. Turn clutter into cash. Most people have unused items lying around: old phones, gadgets, clothes, furniture, electronics. Selling them is one of the fastest ways to create a jumpstart deposit for your car or bike fund. It's emotionally satisfying because you feel like you're clearing your space while moving toward your dream. Minimalism increases focus, clarity, and motivation. Things that once collected dust now help you collect progress. 10. Use cashback apps, discounts, and smart buying tactics. Cashback apps, coupons, reward points, and discount seasons can save you more than you realize. The goal isn't to be cheap, it's to be strategic. Small savings add up. Every discount is another step toward your vehicle. People who save successfully aren't lucky, they're intentional. They use every tool available to stretch their money further. 11. Challenge yourself with a no-spend week every month. This is one of the most powerful psychological resets. Pick one week every month where you don't spend money on anything unnecessary. No takeout, no random snacks, no impulsive purchases. The emotional benefit is massive. It builds discipline and rewires your brain. You learn how little you actually need, and the money saved from 1 week a month becomes a big boost to your car bike fund. 12. Visualize your goal every night for 30 seconds. This might sound simple, but it's a powerful psychological tool. Every night before bed, close your eyes and imagine yourself riding or driving your dream vehicle. The sound, the smell, the feeling of freedom. Visualization programs your subconscious to support your goal. Motivation becomes natural. Your habits align automatically. Your brain works for you instead of against you. That emotional connection keeps your discipline alive. 13. Avoid peer pressure. Spending. Learn to say, not today. Your friends don't pay for your car or bike. You do. Peer pressure spending is one of the biggest reasons people fail to save. Saying not today doesn't make you boring. It makes you focused. You aren't rejecting fun. You're prioritizing freedom. Every time you say no to unnecessary outings, you're saying yes to your dream. And the moment you finally buy your vehicle, those same friends will admire your discipline. 14. Record your progress monthly. Celebrate every milestone. Progress fuels motivation. Create a simple habit. Once a month, check your savings and celebrate the growth. Even if you added only a small amount, you're still moving forward. These small celebrations build emotional momentum. They remind you that the dream is becoming real. Tracking progress reduces anxiety and boosts confidence, making the journey enjoyable rather than stressful. 15. Set a realistic deadline and commit to it. Emotionally, deadlines turn dreams into action. When you give your goal a date, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, everything becomes clearer. Your mind knows the timeline, your habits adjust, and your discipline becomes sharper. A deadline transforms "I hope" into "I will." It creates urgency without panic and gives your journey purpose. And when you finally reach that date and see your dream within reach, that emotional moment is priceless. So there you have it, 15 powerful steps that can turn your dream of owning your first car or bike into a reality. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how deeply you commit to the goal that matters. Now tell us, which step will you start today, and how soon do you want to own your dream ride? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's build this journey together.